So, my little koozie here was messed up. So I spent the last little while practicing my sewing, honing my sewing skills. But my fingers don't work when it gets this
Honing?
tight. Honing. Yeah, I got skills. Look. I bet my cup fits right in there.
I bet it does. That is fabulous. You're excellent.
My grandmother couldn't have done a better job. Of course, she probably wouldn't be bleeding as much as I am either from... Whoever invented the thimble was a genius. Too bad I didn't have a thimble, but it's okay.
Alrighty.
See, look.
Looks good. It's great.
All right.
Because you're homework? Yeah. Coming up in 911. Face down on the floor.